Here's how I would explain 3D to a 2D artist. 3D is actually very different from drawing. The process of 3D polygonal modeling consists in simple logical operations such as extrusion and subdivision. Real curvature doesn't exist in polygonal modeling. It's all about creating enough faces to make it seem like it's smooth. Then, the software can help you obtain the desired effect by applying either a flat or smooth shading on your objects. Once you've modeled something, you want to give it a material. This step determines how reflective, metallic, transmissive or emissive your object will be. This step is very important as it may completely change the look of your assets. When you are satisfied with what you modeled, you want to add lighting to your scene by manually placing lamps of different types: sparks, points, sun. The software will simulate the lighting for you from your setup. It may sound easy, but it's actually more complicated than it sounds, as lights are calculated accurately, so you don't have as much control as in 2D art. The final step in 3D is called final render. Basically, you're just telling the software to calculate your picture or animation at full resolution and quality. It takes a lot of time, especially if you have low-end hardware, but the result is often worth it. If you want to get started in 3D, the most popular software for indie artists is Blender. It's free, so you should definitely check it out. And if you like this video and want to learn 3D, feel free to follow me on Instagram, YouTube and Twitch.